Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be making zucchini banana bread. Hey guys, welcome back to Just Being C'Aira. Today we're going to be making a zucchini bread, so I'm not going to do much talking. I'm just going to show you guys what you need in order to make it, and then it'll also pop up on the bottom of the video. So get out your pen and paper, write it down, and then I'm ready to enjoy. Alright, so we need 3 eggs. Go ahead and crack them, put them in a bowl, and we're just going to whisk these up. Now we're going to add in 1.5 cups of sugar, and then I'm also going to be adding in 1 cup of vegetable oil. Alright, so we're going to add in 2 cups of flour. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. As well as 1 teaspoon of salt. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Add in 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and then you're also going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You're going to mix it all up together. Spray your pan or pans with baking or cooking spray. Spray it really good. That way it doesn't stick or burn to your pans. Alright, so you're going to shred enough zucchini, enough just to make 1 cup if you put it into the measuring cup. Okay, so next we also want to measure enough to mash to make 1 cup. So take about 3 to 4 bananas, mash them up really, really good, and then measure it into the 1 cup measuring cup, just to make sure that you have enough.
Keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another.
Now it's game time. Go ahead and mix up all of this stuff together. Get ready to put it into your pans. I divided mine into 2 pans because that had enough to make 2 pans. Basically what you want to do is mix it up really, really good. That way the bananas is mixed up and the zucchini is mixed up along with all of your other ingredients. And so next what you want to do is, because your pans are greased, go ahead and divide this batter basically into half. And then if you have a pan like this one allows me to cut it into 9 pieces evenly, because it comes with a cutter or divider that just cuts the bread perfectly. So this goes in the oven on 350 degrees for about 40 to 45 minutes. So about halfway, check to see your progress. These are halfway done. So I'm just going to wait, and then of course, thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and give it a huge thumbs up.